Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're featuring a Filipino dish that's simple, comforting, and full of flavor. Squash cooked in coconut, milk with fried fish. It's a creamy and savory classic enjoyed in many Filipino homes, but its story stretches far back into our culinary history. Before foreign influences arrived, early Filipinos already used coconut milk as a foundation for cooking. Because coconuts grew in abundance across the islands, coconut milk became one of the earliest and most versatile ingredients in pre-colonial cuisine. This gave birth to ginataan, dishes simmered in coconut milk, which remain staples in Filipino cooking today. Squash, o kalabasa, arrived in the Philippines through early trade centuries ago. It quickly became popular because it was easy to grow, long-lasting and full of nutrients. Its natural sweetness pairs perfectly with rich coconut milk, making it ideal for slow-simmered dishes. As for fried fish, it has been a part of Filipino daily meals for generations. Living in an archipelago meant having constant access to fresh fish. Frying fish became a quick and reliable way to prepare protein, and the crisp texture worked well with many Filipino sauces and vegetable stews. Over time, these elements, squash, coconut milk, and fried fish, naturally came together in Filipino kitchens. Families discovered that creamy squash cooked in coconut milk balanced beautifully with the savory crunch of fried fish. It was affordable, nourishing, and perfect for feeding large families, especially in rural areas where coconuts and vegetables were plentiful. So how is it made? It begins with sautéing garlic, onions, and ginger. Once fragrant, chopped squash is added and simmered in coconut milk until soft and tender. As it cooks, the squash releases its mild sweetness, which blends into the coconut sauce, creating a creamy and aromatic base. Some add shrimp paste or fish sauce for extra depth, while others keep the flavor light and mellow. The fried fish is prepared separately, seasoned, fried until crispy, and either laid on top or gently mixed into the creamy squash. The contrast of textures creates the dish's signature appeal. Soft, creamy squash paired with crunchy, savory fish. The coconut sauce lightly coats the fish, while the fish adds structure and flavor to the squash. The final dish is comforting, flavorful, and deeply tied to Filipino culinary roots. It shows how simple, local ingredients can come together to create something warm, satisfying, and memorable. Thank you for joining me today. If you love learning about Filipino dishes and their stories, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.